Welcome to Simple Building Construction, a practical guide for students, apprentices, and beginners in Zimbabwe. This video is brought to you by Kirangamuna Integrated. We begin with Chapter 1, Introduction, focusing on the foundation of development in Zimbabwe. Building construction is vital for Zimbabwe's growth. It provides safe and durable housing, infrastructure for businesses and schools, job opportunities, and utilizes local natural resources. Chapter 2 covers bricks and blockwork, the building blocks of our nation. We'll examine the materials that form the core structure of construction. Standard brick sizes, according to Zimbabwean standards, are critical for structural integrity and easy handling. The dimensions are 230 millimeters length, 115 millimeters width, and 75 millimeters height for a standard brick. There are different types of bricks in Zimbabwe. These include farm bricks, common bricks used for general walls, and industrial bricks for heavy, high-strength structures. Chapter 3 delves into bonding techniques, or how to create strength through arrangement of bricks. The stretcher bond is the most commonly used bond for half-brick thick walls in Zimbabwe. It involves bricks laid with stretchers facing out and vertical joints overlapping by half a brick. The English bond is the strongest bond. It consists of alternating courses of headers and stretchers, making it ideal for load-bearing walls, though it requires more skill to lay. Decorative bonds include the Flemish bond, where headers and stretchers alternate in the same course, and the weave bond, often used for aesthetic features in modern Zimbabwean architecture. Chapter 4 focuses on mortar and jointing, the glue that holds it all together in construction. For general walls, the standard mortar mixing ratio is 1 part cement to 6 parts sand. For high-strength applications, a 1:3 ratio is recommended. Different joint types serve different purposes. The flush joint provides a smooth surface for plastering. Recessed joints offer aesthetic shadows. Weathered joints are sloped to effectively shed rainwater. Chapter 5 covers foundations, where stability starts in the ground and is crucial for any building project. Choosing the right foundation type is critical due to Zimbabwe's varying soil. Options include strip foundation for single-story houses, pad foundation for support pillars, and raft foundation for loose or swampy areas. Excavation guidelines depend on soil type. For solid rock, a depth of 450 millimeters is recommended with low risk. For black cotton soil, a depth of 1,200 millimeters or a raft foundation is needed due to high risk. Chapter 6 covers concrete basics, focusing on the strength of the structure. Concrete is fundamental to forming stable and durable building element. A standard concrete mix consists of 4 key components: cement, river sand, stone, and water. The correct proportions of these materials are essential for achieving the required strength. Curing is vital for concrete strength, especially in a hot climate like Zimbabwe. Methods include ponding or water pools, covering with wet hessian or sacks, and continuous spraying. Chapter 7, Walls and Structural, focuses on the vertical elements of the building, including load support and protection from the elements. Walls are classified as load-bearing, typically 230 millimeters thick, supporting the roof and floors, or non-load-bearing partition walls, often 115 millimeters thick. The damp-proof course, or DPC, is a plastic or bitumen layer placed at the base of walls to prevent ground moisture from rising. Never skip this layer, as it protects against dampness. Chapter 8 introduces roofing basics, providing shelter from the Zimbabwean sun and rain, concluding the main structural elements. Common local roofing materials include modern IBR sheets, traditional fiber cement or asbestos, heavy concrete tiles, and thatch, used for its traditional aesthetic. Chapter 9 covers finishes, the final touches that add beauty and protection to the structure. Surface finishes include plastering, using a sand-cement mix for a smooth wall. Common floor finishes are tiles, granolithic surfaces, or polished cement. Chapter 10 focuses on tools and safety, equipping the modern artisan with the knowledge for safe and efficient work. Essential hand tools include the trowel for spreading mortar, the spirit level for horizontal alignment, the plumb bob for vertical checks, and line and pins for straight brick courses. For site management, always use the 3-4-5 rule for square corners during setting out. When storing materials, keep cement on pallets off the ground to prevent hardening. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this simple guide helps you in your construction journey. Feel free to contact us via email.